I cannot tell you how many times I have looked at one of the templates in the Project Life app and wished it was reversed or mirrored. Do you guys know what I mean? It's one of those things you cannot do in the app, rotate a template. It's a total bummer. It drives me insane. But with a few extra steps and a little help from the app PicTapGo, it is possible. And when you learn how to do it, your templates are going to go a lot further. Now, I know this is supposed to only be one app a month, but in order for me to show you this advanced technique, PicTapGo is needed. Just so you know, we are not doing a full-blown tutorial in this app. There is a very, very small feature within PicTapGo that's needed, and it's the only thing we will be talking about in PicTapGo. But in the months ahead, there will be a month in your membership where I will be covering photo editing apps, and PicTapGo is one of those apps. I am going to show you how I created the right side of my 2017 Disney Princess Run layout. Now, looking at the left side, you can see that it's the Big Shot 9 template, but look at the template on the right. It is the Big Shot 7. It's one of my faves. I use it quite often, but can you see something a little bit different between the empty template and the completed layout? You can see that the 6x8 photo is on the left-hand side of the template, the empty template, but in my completed layout, I have it on the right-hand side. So let me show you how I did this. I'm going to come over here to my template section of the app and select that Big Shot 7 template. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. I use it all the time. I just love the Big Shot templates in general. I like having a large photo to focus on and, and then, just fill it in with the other cards and photos. So I'm going to just place my photos in my template like I usually do. So up here, I'm going to come to, I think I have a Princess Run album within photos. So that one's just going to go there. We're going to place this one here. Let's see, I've got a collage that I'm placing there. And I believe I wanted to put that one in there, and then we'll just do this one right there. Okay. For the placeholder up here at the top, this is going to be a journal card. And in order for this technique to work, I have to create my journal card within the collage feature of the app and export it out as a photo and then bring it back in. And you'll see why in just a few moments. So we're going to come out of here. I'm going to X out. I'm going to say, yes, I'm done editing the page. And now I want to come down here to my collage section. And I want to open up the full 4x6 collage. It's 4x6A. Now in here, I just want a plain white filler card. So I will navigate down to neutral cards and just select the white card. Now for my text, I had already typed it out in Notes just to save time. So I'm going to navigate over to my Notes app and select all of this text. That would have taken me forever to do, for the video. So select all, and I'm going to copy. Come back to my collage on Project Life. I'm going to tap that text icon, tap the cursor, and then just paste. Now I need to play around with the color, the color here, and then also the size. I'm just going to increase it some until I can see that I have all of my text on the collage. All right, that looks fine to me. Now I want to export it to my camera roll. Save it there. And then just X out of the collage. I'm going to come back to my library and open up that template that I started to work on. come up to that empty 4x6 placeholder and navigate to my camera roll and place the journal card. All right, it looks all nice and neat. Now, here's where PicTapGo is going to come into play. Let's tap on a photo, and you will notice that if you were to tap on the photo editing icon, you do have the option to rotate the photo, but you don't have the option to mirror it. And that is what we need to do here. And that's why we need PicTapGo. I'm going to select PicTapGo, that little icon here in the toolbar, the editing option here. And just so you know, PicTapGo is available in the App Store for either $1.99 or $2.99. I can't remember the price on it. And once you download it, it should appear as an option to edit from within the photo editing icon in your Project Life app. So I'm going to open up PicTapGo, and it automatically changes your screen to vertical. And the only thing we want to pay attention to is this little crop tool up here at the very top. I want you to tap on that crop tool. And then down here, I want you to tap on this rotate icon. Okay. Here, down here in this bar here, you have the option to rotate it horizontally or vertically. All right. We need to flip it horizontally. Okay. We're turning it backwards. This is all we need PicTapGo for. You cannot do this in the Project Life app itself. This is why we need PicTapGo to do this. So you want to hit apply and then hit done, and you will be brought back to your Project Life layout. I want to do this for each of the photos in my layout. I'm going to flip every single one of them in PicTapGo just so they look backwards, okay? Let's come up, even the journal card. You want to flip your journal card so it will be backwards. Here, it's going to take a few moments. Done. Okay, it's all backwards. Don't freak out, because we will change it up in a moment. Hit apply and done. I think we have a few more here. Apply. And then down here I had that collage that I placed. So we just need to flip that. Okay. Let's zoom out, and you can see everything is backwards, okay? Numbers are backwards, text are backwards, I'm backwards, everything is backwards. Now, we want to come down here to export, and we want to export our 12 by 12 image, okay? It's going to be a flattened JPEG. Save it to camera roll, okay? And now I just want to X out of my layout here. Yes, I am done editing. Now, let's close out and come back to our home screen. Let's open up that collage section, maneuver over to templates, and choose that full 12 by 12 layout. Okay. Tap on that big blue square, tap on your photo icon, come over to all photos where we saved that template out to, or that photo, that full page photo. Okay, and you can see that it's backwards. But if we come over here to edit it, open it back up into PicTapGo, come back to that crop tool, back to the rotate icon, and flip it horizontal, hit apply, hit done. Let's tap on it and then tap that zoom out tool. and you can see we have flipped our template. All of our text is the correct way, I'm facing the correct way, and I just love using this technique to flip my templates and make them go a lot further.